Okay guys, so may papakita nga pa sa ako. So, i-search nyo lang Hailey Twins, may lalabas agad dyan. Dapat ganit yung basta profile picture niya. Dapat ganun yung profile picture niya. Please pa subscribe naman ako guys. So, tignan nyo ito guys. Ito. Yan. Nga pala lang nasa yellow guys. Ano pa? Pakilike naman po nito yung picture na po ito. I imagine we fell in love. I think I picture with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. I'll leave my heart with your hand, so let me fly with you. We'll they don't love you like I love you. They don't love you like I love you. Search nyo Zoe Envia. Tapos i-follow nyo siya guys ha. I-search nyo Zoe Envia. Tapos i-follow nyo siya sa kanyang TikTok account. Super feeling iPhone.
I feel glorious. Katie, can you clean my room? Why would you do that? Mum said you have to. Yeah. Mum! What is it? Well, basically, Lucy said if I could clean our room. Is that true? Lucy Edwards! Mum's right there, you know. Well, she just hit me!
Ripping off MC's necks. When I'm in a critical pitch, your silence is my trade. Shut up! Lockjaw!
Siya grade 4 ngayon. Sa grade 3 ngayon. Grade 3 siya ngayon. Ito is grade 4 ngayon.